Hello again. This video is going to show you how to move work from your working portfolio within the U.S. History course to what is called your assessment portfolio. So we're going to start by going to our class page, U.S. History 1 class page. On the side here, you should see at the very top, working portfolio and assessment portfolio. Okay, so the two different types of portfolio. The working portfolio, if you click on it, you're going to notice that everything you have submitted this year is going to show up here. Okay, so all of your assignments are going to show up on the left-hand side. You can click on those assignments and you can see the grade, you can see the assignment, when you submitted it, etc., etc. You can look at the, you can look at any documents that you've uploaded to that assignment. Okay. What you want to do for this is we are going to be picking assignments that can work for the assessment portfolio. And remember, the skills that we are trying to reflect on is the ability to analyze sources and the ability to perform research. I've made it very easy for you by putting anytime we've done an assignment that contains either or both of those skills, you will find those skills listed in the learning objectives. So you can see this one is analyzing sources, this one is analyzing sources and research. Okay, so let's assume we want to pick a few of these to move over today. And so I want to move over the research outline. So I'm going to click, check the box next to assignment, and I'm just going to hit this button here, transfer to assessment portfolio. It's going to bring you to this screen. It's going to ask you to put a title. You're going to put your last name and the title of the assignment. Okay. The assessment portfolio should already be, by default, U.S. History 1, 2012 to 2013. And for this box, the reflection, remember that I have given you some specific questions to think about on the step-by-step instruction page. So we have completed up to step 5 at this point. In the reflection box, you are going to be reflecting on the assignment and your ability to perform that skill by answering the following questions. What skills were you practicing, and how well do you think this assignment shows your mastery of those skills? Where did you think you did well in this assignment? Where did you find that you struggled a little bit? What would you do differently if you had to do the assignment again? And I would even add one as well that said, compared to past assessments that measured the same skill, how have you improved? So let's add that. So you are going to answer those questions in your reflection box in about 5 sentences or so. And then you're going to hit the little button that says transfer. Oh, I'm impatient. And yay, it says on the top there, transfer was successful. Okay. When you go into your portfolio that we set up in the last video, when you click on assessment portfolio, you should see down here the assignment that you transferred over. Okay, if you don't see that, then it was not successfully transferred. If you were to go back to your e-portfolio that we set up the last time, this is our About Me page. If you click on the U.S. History page, you should now see the outline assignment is present here, along with the reflection and the actual document that you transferred over from the working portfolio.